Let me tell you a little story about our renovated farmhouse. Once upon a time, there was a couple who lost a lot during the flood of 2017 and Hurricane Irma. We had to renovate this house and find a new place to live in the process. So, with a lot of work, we took, yes, believe it or not, this dilapidated home and turned it into a sweet little farmhouse for us to live in. So not only were we restoring the home that flooded, we were also renovating this little home. In the meantime, we were living in our travel trailer. And yes, we were all exhausted every day, but we made the best of it. My sister sent me some shoes since we had lost so many things, and my boys and I, we just all lived in our trailer for a period of time and enjoyed the beauty that was all around us. Now we are just so thankful because the challenge of the flood has relocated to a place that I love so much now. I met one of my best friends when she was just a little baby calf, and her name's Oreo, and she's been my buddy while we've lived here. So I thought I'd make this short video just to show some before and after pictures of our project that we call our home, the farmhouse. Now, before, can you believe this? Yeah, it looked really bad, but my husband's amazing, and we have both obviously worked very hard, but it's been so worth it. Now, this is the kitchen before. It was a very old style kitchen. The house is a 1950s house. This is the kitchen afterwards. We took down a lot of walls, gutted the whole house. I really need to make a YouTube channel just for home renovations. This is the old bathroom. Oh my gosh, that tile. And this is our new bathroom. The house is about a 1,300 square foot house. This is my art room that I have now. Look how dark and dreary this room was. And now this is from an outside view looking into my art studio. And this is inside, obviously. My studio is a mess here, but I have my art YouTube channel, and I create all of my videos for my channel that I call Monet Cafe right here in this little studio. So this is how the story ends. Happily ever after on the farm, right where I always wanted to be. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you want to keep more videos of life on the farm coming your way. Jackson loves it here too. So until next time, keep living your blessed life now.